Hello students, today's lesson is 9.2 triangles. So today we're going to construct some triangles. Before we start constructing triangles, the first thing we should do is how to copy a line. So let's see how we copy a line. Let's assume we have a line segment AB like this one. I just took them by random. You can take any points you want. Now if you want to copy the length of this line, we need first to take a point C, which will be one of the endpoints of the new line. And then we need to draw a line that passes through C in any direction we want. So it will depend from our problem which direction we want to have that line. So we just took it parallel to AB in this case. Now you open your compass from A to B, so it must be the same length. And then you just make an arc from center C with the same opening as AB. Denote this intersection here like point D. And actually it's done. Now the line segment CD has the same length as the line segment AB. We can erase the line B which was before and we draw another line CD. So here we have another segment with same length as AB. Let's continue with constructing a triangle with sides 8, 7 and 6 centimeters. So how we're going to construct a triangle with sides 8, 7 and 6 centimeters. So first we draw a straight line 8 centimeters long. We start from here. This is our start point. Then we have another point which is our P point. We draw a straight line there and this is 8 centimeters. Then we need to draw an arc with radius 7, which you can take from a ruler. You measure it on a ruler. And make an opening, an arc there. Like you make sure that this arc will intersect with the other arc that we're going to draw from the second point with an opening of 6 centimeters. And the point that they intersect, you need to note that there is also another point which is downwards. It's not necessary only to go above, you can go below. So you need only to take one of those two triangles. The point that is intersection of those two arcs, we can call that point C, or you can leave it unlabeled. That is our third vertex for this triangle. And then the only thing left to do is just to connect these points. So here we have a triangle with sides 6, 7 and 8 centimeters. Constructing a triangle ABC with right angle at A, side AB7 and side BC10. How we're going to construct this triangle? Let us first draw a straight line AB, which is 7 centimeters long. BA, sorry. Now we draw this line. It will be good if we extend a little bit. Why? You're going to see this one now. So let's see the length of AB. I'm just denoting here, it's 7. Now we have to construct a perpendicular line to BA. So how we're going to do that? Well, take your compass, open it a little bit, and with the same opening on both sides, draw two arcs. Now let's denote those intersections with D and C. I also removed the notation so it won't be confusing. Then open the compass more than half the distance between those 2 points, red points in this case, and make two arcs that intersect. Now we denote that intersection there with F. I also remove that intersection and draw a line AF so it goes vertically. Then we take again our compass, open it 10 centimeters because it was asking to make a triangle where side BC is 10 centimeters. So make an opening 10 centimeters and then draw an arc which is 10 centimeters. Uh, where you're going to draw that arc, where you should draw it such it will intersect the perpendicular line that we just constructed. So you can see it here. Now let us denote the intersection C. Well, this point C is the point that we are looking for. It's the third point of the triangle. Because the opening was 10 centimeters, also the length means it's 10 centimeters. And now the last thing to do is just to denote that AC is the perpendicular line from this triangle. You shouldn't measure the length of this side AC, but just in case it's 7.1.